welcome you watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Sinshar Kupar files his nomination from Soyong. MSOA in Sports and Youth Affairs organizes sports talent identification. Road construction company exposed by the AKHAF. And Loyola College organizes a workshop for CUET PG 2023. And now the news in detail. On the 18th of April, the candidate from United Democratic Party, Sinshar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba, filed his nomination in the Returning Officer's Office to contest in the 2023 MLA elections from Soyong, which was postponed to 10th of May. Speaking with the media persons, he expressed his confidence of winning in the elections from Soyong since the people love and respect his family. Sinshar Kupar was accompanied by hundreds of supporters along with family members, the president of the party, Medba Lingdo, Paul Lingdo and others. Government authorities of East Khasi Hills restricted the entry and exit of the people in DC office. Renik Tongkhar and Jemino Mautho were restricted to enter, whereas Paul Lingdo could enter the office with difficulty since the Election Commission permitted only 5 supporters of accompany the candidate.
Today is a special day and also an acute moment of nostalgia, remembering my uncle, late HDR Lingdo, who was here 2 months before filing his nomination papers. He is a popular figure and a legend in this field. His death is a big loss to the family, to the party, to the state. I'm here, his replacement. I'm here, a continuation of his work and his legacy. And one important thing, the people of Soyong constituency are praying every day and wants to produce lawmaker, not just legislator. Legislator who will speak in the assembly, legislator who will voice out the people's pain and grief. The youth are angry, people are watching. I'm being watched as I speak. Serious bills and subjects are being moved in the assembly like the last session. We need intellectuals to speak and debate for better laws, for the betterment, for the future, for the security, for the safety and for the welfare of the people of the constituency, the state and also for Kari Bat Kajat Bandril. Thank you. But getting into with the people's faith and love, their enthusiasm, along confident look at job. MP kata te kade kakam kabarim ikini tu kini jonga udo senam jonga pitang na kerteng ru Sinshar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba ka kerteng pedeng ru Kupar Roy dei mahe jonga ba ini kerteng Kupar Roy Don Kupar Roy Lingdo mga Sinshar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba
Don you kan ang kabay na performance ng paasamin
Ari ang PDA sa pangalay ng kalian ang PDL din I'm confident I will move on and I know I'm personal in selection ko trends pang no comments ada party
ba siya report ni file the nomination ni ong ba in fix the damage para le do pa to pero pinili na kadyo
so ibu pini jonga ilong hi bai kane ka bomanta I have repair ilong one repair the damage done by the last ex MLA so menta aru ngade continuation jungi ngade sai beteng jungi pon pe ki mati ki jungi ki barem ki kam ki vision ki jungi ngadi continuation ya kam jungi publish bot
276 students gathered from 4 schools in Loyola College ground, East Garo Hills on the 17th of April for sports talent identification organized by the Meghalaya State Olympic Association and Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, with the goal to identify the sporting talent of youths of Meghalaya and to develop them into world-class elite athletes. In the ongoing Star Sports Talent Identification Program conducted by Meghalaya State Olympic Association in collaboration with Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, under supervision of Australian Olympian, a total of 276 students from 4 schools were tested. In all districts, there were 4 tests: 20-meter sprint, 10-meter speed ladder run, vertical jump and compass drill. The program was conducted in presence of Shri Vibhor Agarwal, IAS Deputy Commissioner, East Garo Hills District, Father Sunny Augustine, Principal, Loyola College, Mr. John F. Kharshiyeng, Working President, Meghalaya State Olympic Association, Mrs. Babira Momin, District Sports Officer, DSYA, Government of Meghalaya, Mr. Dipshon Rintathyang, Chairman, MSOA Podium Finish Committee, including officials from the Sports Talent Identification Team. The All Khasi Hills Achik Federation AKHAF on the 18th of April investigated the ongoing project of CPWD, which is currently undergoing construction work of border road in southwest Khasi Hills, starting from Bagli to Mahashkola. The project is being tendered to Dilip Paul and Sons Company for reconstruction and blacktopping. On visiting the construction site, various flaws of the company were found. While making an inquiry into the project, the Federation exposed the contractor for using low-quality materials in the construction. This made the road last and endure lesser amount of load and pressure, resulting to breaking apart of the finishing just as early as the construction is finished. This kind of careless construction of road is causing a massive panic in terms of transport and communication for the people living in border area as well as to the BSF Jawans. Therefore, the Federation demanded the contractor of this project to immediately approach to the site and justify his activity with a warning to start working efficiently, else the company will face serious consequences. The Federation also demands the CPWD Road Shillong to immediately intervene and take necessary actions.
सीमेंट से करेगा इसको पूरा उधर तक कौन सा मालिक मालिक का नाम मालिक नाम ये रास्ते जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है नाम क्या विद्यासागर ये हमारे चिन्ह दे आल्डो ही से The contractor the office the register আছে ওটা আলাদা নাকি
The Internal Quality Assurance Cell, IQAC, of Loyola College, in collaboration with College Welfare and Advisory Committee, Northeastern Hill University, Tura, organized a workshop on approaches to quality enhancement, strategies for success at CUET to prepare students for CUET Postgraduate 2023. Chief guest Dr. Binu Matthew, Associate Professor of Department of Rural Development and Agricultural Products, RDAP, and Chairman of College Welfare and Advisory Committee, Nehu Tura Campus, speaking on the topic CUET PG 2023 opportunity, challenges and the way forward, pointed out that CUET is a step towards greater equity and equality towards educational standard and opportunities. Professor Nikme S.C. Momin, Department of Education, Nehu Tura Campus, speaking on learning outcome-based education, stressed the importance of good performance in CUET that will take students to the next stage of learning. The interaction round was followed soon after, in which students clarified their doubts on the process of application and the necessary guidance to prepare CUET. Dr. Sunny Augustine, SJ Principal of the college, addressed the resource persons as friends of Loyola College, and the workshop is a commitment of the college in preparing the students for higher learning. On the 18th of April, Yalong venerated Wailatmiki Shilla, an MLA who won from Juwai constituency. Addressing the meeting, Wailatmiki exclaimed that he cannot express the appreciation he has for the people of Yalong for their support and trust in him, and it is turned to slog day and night to fulfill what the people need. He added that Yalong is one of the few villages he loved, since it is filled with people who desire and respect development and improvement. In the meeting, Wailatmiki promised the people to assist them with 10 lakh rupees to purchase a power tiller to improve agricultural activities and enhance production, boosting the economy. The meeting was organized by Bichar Shala, President NPP, accompanied by village leaders and people, both men and women. On behalf of the people from Yalong, the village leader requested the MLA to pursue incomplete works and projects in the years to come.
nga katte ejwa chpau lak tangka na ka MLA scheme ge yong na ne jumpa yong ka dong nga kerpa dia ki kam pat dang puren ni ni em wo bo ki beto yong thit atli ge powar tilar tengah kerpa dia ki to first priority yong at ki gitu thit ye gitu nalor ne te wan kat tu taman ti payan kat kam jing em kam yong ka chinong ha ne mentau yo ki nong rep nong liangโอ้ยรับพระกระเรกเรียงเดียวทีแต่มันได้ในนินแต่ดาวช่องอันนี้กัดกำมินิกิจงเอ็มกามกัดกำกิจงเอ็มกามยงกิดงลูกแพรหรือกัดกีวีตะวันแต่โยยช่องวันนี้โยยไลน์ตีวันนี้โยยโบเดนนี้ยังกินกิจงเอ็มกามรักษาแต่ให้มีปอร์เคลมเดเป็นจงเด็กกำยงงาสัจฉินงาชิมยังกินกับกบูเขาเอคุเลยยังวรอพีคิดว่าเอ็มเป็นตาลังยังอ่ะเขากระชันลังวงากันกันตีนาดูกิวะเฮยองกชนมกิวะเฮยองกดงกิวะเฮยองกิกุรกิวะเพรกิวะเฮยองกเซนไรกิวะเฮยองกบาลังกิวะเฮยองกิเป็นตากิวเพรกิวะเอ็มกิวเดเทเดเอสเชกตีที่บุญกับตีที่เดียงกับยองพีบัดกันโมกำลังนี่งายุติยอเอ็มพีกับมันเซียนโวยแกะลังเอ็มพีกับแต่กับมันเซียนโวเป็นโยเป็นกระดาวกังวงาเดชิโมขยะลงโตมันก็กระชนงก็อ้างฮะเด่นกระชนงมุขลากระชนงก็ยงงาพาคดีกระชากกระชนงก็อ้างก็ยงงาตัวในเลี้ยงยงงาก็มาดองเงินนี่สัจฉิสินุบันเนาะนักเลี้ยงก็ยงพีเด็ดเละที่กำรำกัดตุเอลาดเองนะยงเละใส่กำรำยงงาแต่ดึงนี่กันเต็มไปจากสัจฉิสิงาเอกุเล่ยังปาร์ตี้ก็ว่าแกรชต้อมอุดาเป็นแกรเป็นครุมยากันนี่ก็จิงเละบุรมนี่แต่คุบเลยสัจฉิสิงว่าเอวไลกันละก็คุบเราอีว่าเราลังกูเอ็มนี่ยงยี่อุปนเด็กยี่กำรำยงอีดึงนี่กันเต็มไปจากเอกุเล่พีคุบเลยชีโบชีดา
The former MLA from Meghalaya, P.T. Saukme, spoke with the media persons whereby he exclaimed that the reason why UDP supported NPP to form the MDA-2 government was that they were afraid the imposition of the president's rule. The truth behind the remark made by him cannot be justified and still remains words out of his mouth. When he went to accompany Sinchar Kupar, a candidate to contest in Soyong elections in the coming month, he added the 11 UDP MLAs avoided the president's rule as much as they could. It is unknown whether people would accept his opinion or his remarks will remain just spoken words.
Meghalaya. UDP ketika Malaysia Party, dengan skam kalau pen dah berok dia, parti Syam kalau nak ni juga isu sabar. Jadi Syam kalau kaji mobil kemudian, nak mata ke sosial kalah, nak kaji tiu jauh kaji lahi berakoi, ilhak dia kebantan itu berterang. Kamu tu nak kalian juga kalau kebantan ada kaji jauh pakai. Dan rai kap subha mata, berhang ni segi mata, kita isu asal saja sebab kita kamu berterang. UDP, NP, NDP, belum ini saya sudah sepakat. Community bang, yo job, community bang सरकार ही का UDP के job पूरा है ये मुद्दा. सरकार ही का नहीं बताएंगे कौन UDP ही का नाम पता और ये नहीं सरकार मुद्दा.
Villagers of Balalgre under the Malgre police station found an unidentified dead body of a male lying lifeless in a deserted forest area on the 18th of April, and they immediately alerted the police. The police recovered 2 bottles of liver tonic medicines, a blanket, gamcha, sandal, eateries lying beside the dead body and also one outpatient ticket from Tura Civil Hospital. The victim is suspected to be a patient of Tura Civil Hospital, and according to the medical certificate, the deceased was identified as Pradeep Sangma, 35 years of age. As per information acquired, Pradeep Sangma visited the hospital emergency department on the 13th of April with fever, pain in the abdomen and discoloration of skin. He was advised hospitalization and undergo a series of medical tests, but the report mentions that he declined to get admitted on the grounds there was no attendee. While the actual cause of death is not known, the dead body was found to be in a decomposing stage and was hurriedly sent to civil hospital for post-mortem. The case is still under investigation to uncover the truth. Looking at the site in Police Bazaar and Yodo, it is evident that the places are always congested and packed with buyers and sellers. This has caused a lot of inconvenience to people travelling and crossing the areas, especially vehicles always stuck in a traffic jam. Therefore, the Hnyotrap National Youth Front, under the leadership of Blessed Dakhar, on the 18th of April, met with this aim of Hima Malem, Paem Aina Manik's aim to demand the inspection in and around Yodo, for it is flooded with illegal shopkeepers and vendors. Speaking with the media persons, the president of HNYF informed that the meeting with Paem Ainam's aim yielded a positive outcome, since it was a pleasant one when he approved and promised to inspect Yodo along with HNYF, and at the same time the association along with Hima Malem will inspect and uproot illegal shop vendors by checking their trading license. Leaving no stone unturned, it is intention of the union.
HNYF is sales. Tasing one huni po Hima Malem. Kendu ya sim juga Hima Malem. Ari setenat menjadi kendu yo sim. Maka isu kebaya day bagi kendu sim tasi kalong baik namanta. Kawai kalong baik namanta bangin. Hak yu sim bat ya. Menteri bagi pek yo ba. Pek ha nama kentam ini kanyo mulong mo. Tomato tu. Yang tu mata kacang wit kepala serkai bah, watamannya kan yang ban kipat ba makin ya ikan ti footpath ikan ya ikan ti kiwan sekiyo kalau kaba jenjar tu kata namar bang iba kala sulong kamdan su kata kacang long renti renti habe day pat ki kinong song madan iba nada ki song dak badan ako dan buram kata ngim su ni nakaliang kacungi iwan melikendu ya sim wan man kendu ya menteri langsti bat kawai ka bangi kwa man kentu yaki kalong ba ni kung kasang ni kwa ko gisni ngin ada ka jing tho ski bangin bu ta appointment bangin nilek man jurip ya kayo bora kawai namar ngai iba kat nang mi isni ngai iba khamtam nang ni na po mat khan sarum ru lami ki dukan lami ki ta ki nong song madan ki ba nim kwa man jer teng ni pang teng khamtam to la dei ki ta ki do isnam chung ru ngim da snu hinde la nakaliang jungi bengiwan man dikendu yusi ru kolong ba lek ban jurip ban pek khamtam ya khamtam ya ki keluy kaya kayang kayo khat borok wei namar menta pindu ngayo kit tang wi pelarung isu cukup ba kaji khamnya abjur ha ti tang i tang wat kini kinong song madan hang liru ha po haki yo borok wei khamtam ki brio ki banabar mo ki bok suwan man song hang ni po ha po ha ka benta ba dei jong Hima Malem ni nakaliang ke jungi ru ngin jurip ya kayo ngin yalek ki rangkap Hima Malem man pek hu kumnu kumlong jong kayo namar kade ka jong ni khu no hajar phasi khamtam kade ka banta ka bankong ka ba udo usnam jongi ude ban yo ya ka banta ka hok ude ban yo ka banta ka mai gaji na kayo hat ka Hima Malem no ngatep ka yo khajana ka biang te ti nagaliang jongi ha ko ngin sa ya kendu hadir bangil ai kajing tho so Hima Malem bat Hima Malem ka sabu ya kata kasni bangin nilai jurip bat ngin jurip ya baro banta khamtam ka khu ki subang ong biang ka menengkong ka di khamnya ka maar ka khu ki subang ka balai pat ngin pek ki kam illegal ki badan po yo mo khamtam ki don subun ki illegal do khamtam ki shimi ba ki kam ki ba khamsar kai po yo khamtam ka jing bun ki nong to jing bun ki nong luti por bakhamnya jing sim kabu ti nakaliang ka jungiru in pet in kenturu ka wat ka Hima Malem ya ka pakanle ka badon kam habide bakayo hat dalong ka bala CCTV di man biang namar kayo ka de kayo ka ba ikwa buk pai ba kan nong kayu ka basngan ka yat ka yang kanamdan kanu ka jing wit kanamdan kanu ka jing khapnya ni kanu ka jing jenjat jung pai ba ti ka jungi kalong bait namanta kalong bait nagaliang ka jungi balada ka kamram ka di ka jung diskonsel ban le ka level lesson ba di ka turing lesson ngalong if menta bah tu ski bengilek ngin persang hiru banyak kli level lesson trading lesson lada kam lada ibam don kam kimrenew ka lesson kibam don lesson te ngin sale ka ban kam ngin sapoi shi ka diskonsel shi ka enforcement ru bakin le ka ban kam ngin sale ka ni namar iba hawat mo ang if menta ba bun hina ka diskonsel ndadon kata gabangin yu imo yo kile ka bari ngin tip ya kata yo kile ban check i lesson ni level lesson na rei do ladon ha kisnem ki mansuaru kajing kendra lesson ko yo ladon kajing show kajing adatru kajing pen ibor bagi barjelar mansuar lalong ta tin nakaliang jungi kata di kamram juga district council tiala daga district council kamla hiban le kata ti ngin saad kajing coach ka district council ne ka step connection le Igi cingkular jung siem kolong ba nginum keren hangi tangi ka himamelim namar ka don ka bentaro badi jung municipal iga step ka banengkong ka pangiwan hangi kolong ba hindi inya train suan kong bat himamelim bat ka ba ba usiem lo ongingi ba ung sebu mo gasngi ung sebu mo ka kapor ba minyali jurip lang ngi gaseng rengkat bagi menteri rengkat bat kikat ba himamelim dalam
sedang sebenarnya keren mo ayo
nakaliang kajungi nginum ker ho ka district council ka don mentah habi de ba market mau iem ba de market ti nakaliang kajungi ngilawan suan kong sya ka himamelim rega try hok ko shishahi de himamelim ka jakar ba de jung himamelim ti nakaliang kajungi ka iga bau himamelim ka iga bau siem wala ai jungmut ingi bangin si bu igasngi ka por ngnyaleng ti lada kata ka jingi kendu jungi bu siem ka long babiang ka balong successful ngin sai pekpan yala kadon kami ni bangin kendu wat UIM bade ke market ke district council ru ngin saya chmat pe menta bad haga juga poru ngin sa haga juga por ngin le ke badan kam ngin khandraru ke license ke ba ya dei ke level license bad ke trading license yo.
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.